What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. Now let's get this video started. Today's video is going to be about how much Carmax is going to give me for my car. It's pretty much stock. It's a 2015 Toyota 4Runner. It's a 4x2 or two-wheel drive, however you want to call it. Yeah, let's check it out. The only thing it has inside modified, which is not really a modification, is WeatherTech all weather mats, two front seats, and we have the back ones too, right here and right there. The third row does not have any WeatherTech protection, but the interior's semi decent. Well, it's decent. It just has a stain right here and a stain that my body armor leaked onto there. But yeah, pretty cool inside. If you guys don't know, this right here, there's a little memory card in that. You just like pop it off right here, and it's a little memory card. You can put music on there, but my dumbass didn't know that I deleted everything on there. I thought it was just music files or whatever. I just deleted it, but that's where the GPS stores all the information. So this car doesn't have GPS. It does have GPS, but you have to go to Toyota and then put that file back onto the memory card right there. But yeah, the E-Tune sucks on this car. The other modification I had on here is a subwoofer and amp. I had a 10-inch amp in the trunk and a kicker, sorry, 10-inch subwoofer in the back. And my kicker is right under here, which I don't know if you can see. But yeah, other than that, it's a third row. And I want to see if I can how much I'm gonna get for it. So that's the inside. Got aftermarket running boards because I got this car. I had a 24 brand new, my first brand new car ever was a 2014 Subaru WRX, and I put it back to stock and people still wanted to race me, so I had to get a different car because I don't want to have my son or daughter, who at the time didn't know what it was going to be, in a sports wagon sedan type of car. So I got a 4Runner, and I pulled the trigger way too fast on the car, but I wanted to get out of it, and I got the 4Runner. 4Runner is beautiful, awesome. Took it on so many trails. It does awesome on trails. Just, I want a 4x4 and a truck. This channel in the future is going to be changing a lot, and big things are happening. So let's go to get a car wash quick and then go to Carmax and see what they offer. All right, guys, see you soon. I got the premium car wash. I didn't go with the ultra premium, which was $3 more, because I'm cheap. So let's just check this out. This is my first time also using the GoPro, so I want to see what the quality is. It's a 1080p, not in 4K, because I wanted to save the battery. I don't know how long the battery lasts, so that's why I wanted to save it. So yeah, cool. All right, guys, got back from Carmax, and it took about almost 2 hours to get there and then with the whole process. And they offered me, let's show you. They offered me appraisal offer, $20,000. This is legit, guys, on my 4Runner. $20,000. So I'll crop that out, but so you guys know I'm not lying, it's on my car. So condition assessed for $20,000. So somehow edit that out so you block my home address, but the vehicle, what it shows right there, that's pretty cool. Or I'll just take a picture, so I won't use this, but I'll talk over this. But yeah, pretty stoked about that, guys. That's what Carmax offered for a 2015 Toyota 4Runner, 4-door sports utility SR5 with 7161 whatever engine. Yeah, Super dope. All right, guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace.